Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So today I'm back with another get ready with me, and today's wig is from Luvme hair. I'm working with a 5x5 16-inch lace closure wig, and the wig came with a natural hairline. Guys, when I tell you this wig is extremely full, the hair quality is amazing. But if you guys want to see how I installed this wig and also how I got this makeup look, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Hi guys, okay, so this is the wig I'm working with today. As you guys can see, the wig came freestyled, and this is sort of like a long bob, as you can see. So it's also a closure wig. So this is the construction of the wig. It comes with an elastic band. So this wig did not come pre-bleached, as you can see, but that's okay because it's a closure wig anyway, so I can easily just apply my foundation on the lace and that should be good. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. So this is what it looks like after I've applied my foundation on the lace. So now I'm going to go ahead and install the wig. Okay, so I've got the wig on now, and I've plucked the hairline just a bit more, you know, just to make the hairline look a lot more natural. So now I'm going to go ahead and glue down the wig. I'm so happy I'm working with a closure wig today. I feel like closure wigs are just the best. So easy to work with and very beginner friendly as well. Like you can just pop it on, glue it on, and you know, you don't have the stress of working with a lace frontal. I'm going to use this spray to glue down my wig, and guys, when I tell you, the hold on this spray is really good. I've been trying to get the black one, but it's not available on Amazon, so I had to get the red one. So I'm also going to use my wax stick just to push the hair back and get rid of any hair that might be in the way. So another reason why I like this spray is because it gets really tacky, so which means that, you know, the hold is really strong and it doesn't take as long to dry down as well. So and you can see how good this lace looks so good. Bearing in mind the knots are not bleached as well. Obviously by coming a bit closer you can see, but guys, they're so thin that I could easily get away with this. And now I'm just going to apply some concealer down my middle part just to make it stand out. And now I'm just going to use my melt band just to melt the lace in. And then we're going to move on to my favorite part, which is makeup. So I've already primed my face. I used the Milk Hydra Grip Primer to prime my face. So today for foundation, I'm going to use the HUDA Beauty foundation in the shade Nutmeg. I'm going to apply some concealer. This is the Too Faced One This Way concealer in the shade MOCHA. I actually need to get a new one, but for the longest time I was struggling with this one. Why? Because it was sold out everywhere, but I think they're back in stock now, so I need to get a new one ASAP. And I'm also going to reverse contour my cheekbones because I've definitely gained some weight, so my face is actually very round at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and blend out my reverse contour first. Now I'm just going to go back in with my foundation brush and just blend around my concealer. Just to add a bit more brightness underneath my eyes, I'm going to apply the ABH concealer in the shade 10. The coverage is everything, so I'm literally going to apply the smallest amount and just blend that out. And guys, that is just from me applying the tiniest amount. And now I'm just going to go ahead and set my concealer. Today I'm using the MERCIER translucent setting powder, and guys, I haven't used the setting powder in so long, in ages, but I used it this weekend and I said, what, I need to go back to this. Like guys, this setting powder, so I'm literally just pressing that into my skin before I go ahead and bake. I just love how fine and thin this powder is. You really don't need too much with this powder. Like, I've literally just applied the smallest amount and I've just pressed it into my skin. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows off camera, as you guys can see. So now I've just primed my eyelid and I'm going to go ahead and just set that with some powder. And I'm also going to apply some powder on my brows. So I'm going to go into my Morphe eyeshadow palette. So this is the 3502 palette. I'm going to apply this shade on my eyelid. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply a brown eyeshadow in my outer V, and I'm just going to blend that in. So it should look like this when you're done. Literally so simple. This is like a two-step eyeshadow look. Okay, so guys, my eyeshadow is done and now I need to add some warmth back to my face because I'm looking very ghosty right now. So I'm gonna use my Morphe Glam Bronze in the shade Supreme. Honestly guys, I think this is actually sold out or discontinued, and the face powder is also sold out as well, the shade I use, which is Filter 13. So thanks guys. You know, I mean, I'm happy I put you guys on, but honestly it's literally sold out and I don't know what I'm going to do. This is my favorite bronzer. Like this, I use this every day. I use this every single day. So now I'm going to apply my face powder in the shade Filter 13, and this is going to help to bring everything together because right now it's looking a bit, you know, crazy. So to keep that brightness underneath my eyes, but at the same time, I don't want it looking crazy, so. And now I'm going to take my face powder and I'm going to use this to contour my nose also. Guys, I honestly can't believe the Morphe bronzer is sold out, maybe even discontinued, because the amount of times I've been on their website and I can't seem to find it. So it's like, what am I going to do? Because I literally use this bronzer every day. Like, guys, I really don't want to, I want to keep that brightness there. So I think I'm actually just going to go ahead and set my face. I've been chopping. Do you see how round my face has gotten? What is this? I've really been chopping. Anyway, so I'm going to apply some blusher. This is the NARS blusher in the shade Exhibit A. And this is like a really nice coral orangey shade. I feel like it's so crazy how makeup trends actually change. There was a time where people would literally get onto you for wearing too much blusher. And now that is literally what's trending. That's what's trending. So now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Morphe Setting Mist. And then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and just literally dab that into my skin. I feel like I'm going to go back to using my Laura Mercier setting powder, because this powder, it does something, okay? It does something. Okay, so guys, we're nearly there. So I've just done my lashes and eyeliner off camera. I don't know if you guys can see. So just kept it very simple. So now I'm going to apply some highlighter on my nose. I'm not going to apply any on my cheeks. I'm going to leave my cheeks like this. And I'm just going to apply this shade from this eyeshadow palette. This shade right here. So the shade is called Billions. And this is the ARONSE Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my nose. Guys, I am so in love with this makeup today. It's really doing something. It's doing something. And now I'm going to move on to my lips. So I'm going to use the Morphe lip pencil in the shade Trendsetter. I really, really like this pencil. I feel like this is the darkest brown I've been able to get my hands on. Literally. So I'm going to use this to line my lips, and as usual I'm going to overline my lips. And now I'm going to apply the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick in the shade Day Slayer. Guys, I absolutely, listen, I really, really like this shade. Like, it's just so nice. I really like the texture as well. I like how it feels. You know, because it's demi matte, it's not drying. I need to get some new nude lip glosses, and it's so crazy because right in front of me there's like so many different lip glosses and lipsticks, but I still feel like I don't have enough. So so I don't get any on my teeth. And guys, this is my makeup done. I've really been liking the whole look of like not really applying any eyeliner or like eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I feel like it just makes you look more like a doll. Like, I don't know, it gives you this like doll type of look. I don't know, but anyway, so I'm gonna go back to my hair now. The hair is very full, by the way. When it comes to the hair quality, guys, this hair quality feels amazing. This is my second time working with Luvme hair, and today I'm working with their 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and the length of the wig is 16. I'm gonna cut some layers into this wig because I just feel like the length is slightly, it's not really giving what I want it to give, and I feel like the front is slightly longer than the rest of the hair as well, so I need to cut like this part to cut it off. Okay, so guys, I'm done now, and this is what my hair and makeup is looking like. I definitely had to cut some layers into the hair, you know, just so it can frame my face a bit more. But aside from that, guys, this is the finished look, and I absolutely love how my makeup is looking today. This is giving soft glam slash, I don't know, it's just giving all type of vibes. I don't know, I feel like this hair and makeup, everything together is just giving grown and sexy. Like, you guys let me know in the comment section below what you think, but I love how my makeup turned out. So once again, this hair is from Luvme hair, and this is a 5x5 lace closure wig, and the length of the wig is 16, so this is a 16-inch 5x5 closure wig, and the hair quality is amazing. This hair is so thick, it's so bouncy, and it's so full, and it feels really, really soft as well. I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera, but the hair just feels amazing. And it's really, really full as well. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure to list all the links that you guys need down below in the description box, and I'll make sure to list all the products that I've used down below as well. So please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.